Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be playing some Roblox. Are you all excited? Cause I know I am. Oh my. Dry voice, I see. Poopy90875. So this game is called Survive Natural Disaster. And we're gonna be attempting to play on it. That guy's a hacker boy. No, hacker boy. So here we go. So I think the worst disaster, in my personal opinion, is the acid rain. Because of how much damage it does. It just burns straight through the roof. Which is why I find it the most annoying. But, what disaster are we gonna have today? Okay, the tsunami one's pretty easy to survive. I just have to run out here. I have to, beat the clock. Can I jump through the windows? Okay. No, we can't. Okay, we're just gonna hop our way on over here. Oh no. Okay, we're just gonna look up and try and dodge all these. I know there's a really safe spot in the volcano. If you can make it there, it's really safe. It tells you to be aware of the volcano, but if you can get up it, it doesn't really, come down on the volcano, so it's kind of just a free survive. See, look. That school is just getting destroyed. Well, we, on the other hand, are living the best life. It's ooh! Oops. Maybe not the best life, but... Hey, Flamingo Bottom, why don't you, beat it, you stupid peacock? Ooh. Oh, that's a pushing contest. Get out of here. Oh, the pushing contest is on. I'm gonna push him, get him out. You. No! We jumped off. I cannot believe my stupidity. We legit, what are they saying in chat? Die! Oh my. Fatty. I'm doing schoolwork right now, lol. Yes. Fatty. Die! Oh god. I'm just gonna... I think this is a new map. Well, it's been a very, very, very long time since I've played this game. Oh. So this might be an old map, or this could have been a new map. Oh, Lord! This is the trainway to hell. And if you want to come on, all aboard! I don't know what's happening to her, but she's going any kind of gravity. I'm gonna stay, right here, because if I need to jump, I'll jump there and fall down. If I need to get to higher grounds, I can try and jump off. What? Did I jump out and a lightning bolt hit me? Oh, dude, this poor noob's about to die. Sorry. Ready, watch this. Woo! Woo! Aw. Interesting. Come on, noob. Oh no. Don't go over there, noob. It's hell. Why? Why do I die? Alright, on to the next game. Hey guys, welcome to Ninja Training Lobby. As it sounds, we're gonna become a ninja! Okay, what is this? Welcome to ninja training! Okay. What's happening to his mouth? I don't care. I'm about to become a ninja within seconds. Ooh, ooh. I didn't know if I fall from water. If I fall in water, I'd die. Wait, is there no checkpoint? Well, I don't see why I would need a checkpoint here. That was just a fluke, okay? We won't die again, trust. See? Ah, the regular checkpoint. Bull crap. That was not fair. I did not just... Would you like to buy super coil? Why would I want to buy the super coil? No. Stop trying to give me What? Bull. Subscribe to Wolf Gaming. No, don't subscribe to anything. Ripped his arms off and his legs. Therefore he'd be like a little turd in the wind. What is this? How do I climb up that? Do I just have to spin jump? What's this? Only noobs found this one. See? I'm not a noob. Man, I didn't know string bends like this. Not bends, but takes shape like that? I did not know that. What's this? Let's see. This looks oddly suspicious. Oh no! Oh god! Okay, guys, should we jump? I want to jump. No, jumping will probably get us killed. Oh, I can't even jump. I tried to jump. Oh wow, this is where we get to the interesting stuff. This is when you learn to double jump. This is actually how they teach, people like Naruto. They put them in cloud training, where clouds like that. And then you have to fight Orochimaru, with her snakes. And then you have to fight Sasuke. Whoa. Is that it? Where are you going? Stupid noob. Step on the egg to drop it off the shelf. Then use the keycard that you find inside, and then put it here. Then you open up a secret door that leads to a secret facility. But isn't it a secret facility, therefore meaning that it'd be a secret facility, rather than just being like, okay, this is how you get the secret facility, don't tell. No, don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. Wow. Oh my god. Then I have to, come here. Take this out. Whoa. It disappeared. Hatch? Quickly, go. Go, 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 go. Whee! It's a coronavirus. It's a coronavirus bunker. What the hell? I didn't know they put training shinobis through this. This is just death. How did you even get the lava down here? I'm confused. Ow. Okay, this Wee1447 dude is definitely... So, there's only 24 stages. I expect at least, hold on. I expect at least, 25. That'd be a decent, stopping point. But 24? That's just kind of an odd number, you know what I mean? I've never seen a game stop on 20... Oh, no, wait. No, I don't want to skip a stage. I died twice. Not that bad. God. Watch this. Yeet. Yeet. Oh no, this person's catching up to me. Ooh, sound effect. Okay, I'm so bad. Dude, that person's not gonna pass that level for a long time. Selling that, noob. The noob. We're gonna try and get to 25, okay? Oh! Oh god. Alright. I'm gonna pause the video until we get to 24. I'll be right back. Okay, so, let's see. How do I tell you guys this without you guys getting mad? So, I was doing some levels, right? And, I got to level 25. And I get there, and it doesn't say, congratulations. Yeah, well, there's, probably, like, 40 stages, because, I couldn't get, I'm on 26 right now, because I went another level to just see if it was a glitch. But no, it wasn't a glitch. So what we are going to do now is we're going to attempt to try and finish this. Although we only have 4 minutes left of this recording. We're gonna give it a shot. We almost caught up to this guy that was, like, in the lead. We might actually catch up to him. You know what? That's gonna be the point of the video from now on. We're gonna try and catch up to this idiot. Oh, Lego dude. You Roblox dude. So right now we're in the mindscape of my child life. That's what he told me at least. What? Oh, I have to jump on those. Interesting. This obby's different, okay? This obby's different from all the rest. No. I'm truly a god. I'm gone. Dude, I'm close to this guy. That's incredible. Ah, we have 3 minutes left. Oh no, we have to get there soon. Soon, let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Close enough. So what does this do? What? What is this? Just don't touch the balls? Okay. Run down here. Jump over here. Get up here. Okay. I'm gonna catch this guy. We have to try harder. We're 2 stages behind him. Time's running out. Dick. We got this, we got this, we got this. Up here, up here, up here, up here, up here. We're 1 stage behind him. So we need to find this checkpoint. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where's this checkpoint? Down here, down here, down here, down here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. We're 1 stage behind him. Okay, we caught up, we caught up, we caught up, we caught up, we caught up. Okay, it's me versus him. For the final race. Which way did he go? He goes this way. He's been stuck on it for so long. No, 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 no. Okay, 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 let me go, let me go. Yes! We did it! Oh, boom! I beat him! Let's go! Let's go. Let's go. Alright. If you guys did go on to enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button down below. If not, I'll eat your toes. Oh wait, it doesn't go away. We'll play a little bit. Wee! 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 Dude, it doesn't go away. So I can just walk around. Bro, look at this. I look like the true warrior. P color, P. Look at this. Alright, we're gonna go back and just show off. Ooh, well, I think that's gonna conclude the video.